In the blink of an eye, the world is morphing, and it's artificial intelligence and robotics leading the charge. They're the maestros behind the scenes, orchestrating a symphony of progress and innovation. Picture this, a future where machines and AI work in harmony, creating a world beyond our wildest dreams. From the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, they're transforming our understanding and pushing boundaries. Now imagine being part of this revolution, contributing to this wave of change. The AI and robotics industry is growing exponentially, with career opportunities blossoming worldwide. In fields such as healthcare, finance, and entertainment, the applications are endless, the potential limitless. Dive into the world of AI and robotics, and you're diving into the future. These careers are not just about programming or engineering. They're about creativity, problem-solving, and pioneering the unknown. So, step forward into the frontier of AI and robotics. It's a journey where the road is being built as you travel. In the world of AI and robotics, the future is now. Are you ready to shape it?